Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel TNV Academy. I'm Akanksha Mishra and here we break down ISO standards and information security topics in a way that is simple and easy to understand. In today's video, we are talking about two very important information security standards, that is ISO 27001 and ISO 27799, and more specifically what sets them apart. Let's get right into it. Quick overview of both standards. First, a quick refresher. ISO 27001 is the international standard for information security management systems, or ISMS. It applies to any industry and helps organizations manage, protect their information assets. ISO 27799, on the other hand, is a sector-specific standard. It builds on ISO 27001, but it is tailored specifically for healthcare, where protecting patient data is absolutely critical. Think of ISO 27001 as the general framework and ISO 27799 as the healthcare-focused extension of that framework. Key differences between ISO 27799 and ISO 27001. Let's break down the key differences. Scope and audience. ISO 27001 is designed for all industries, finance, education, IT, manufacturing, and so on. ISO 27799 is strictly for the healthcare sector, hospitals, clinics, labs, health tech companies, etc. Focus areas. ISO 27001 focuses broadly on risk management, information security controls, and continuous improvement. ISO 27799 focuses on the protection of personal health information, that is PHI, and specific healthcare scenarios like medical records, EHR systems, and patient confidentiality. Control requirements. ISO 27001 defines 114 controls in Annex A across 14 domains. ISO 27799 uses those some controls but adds healthcare-specific guidance on how to apply them, like securing patient data in hospitals, managing access to EHRs, and ensuring compliance with healthcare privacy laws. Regulatory alignment. ISO 27001 supports general legal and regulatory compliance. ISO 27799 is more aligned with healthcare-specific regulations such as HIPAA in the US, GDPR in the EU, or National Health Data Protection Laws. Implementation guidance. ISO 27001 tells you what to do. ISO 27799 tells you how to do it in healthcare. It gives practical, detailed examples for applying ISO 27001 principles in hospitals, labs, and other medical environments. Do you need both? Now you might be wondering, do we need both standards? The answer is yes. If you are in the healthcare sector, ISO 27001 gives you the foundation. It is the base standard you get certified to. ISO 27799 acts as a guideline to apply ISO 27001 in healthcare properly and effectively. ISO 27001 is equals to General InfoSec Framework for all sectors. Whether ISO 27799 is equal to healthcare specific guidance built on top of ISO 27001. Use both together to build a secure, compliant, and patient-focused information security system in healthcare. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more ISO and cybersecurity content. Hit the bell icon to stay notified, because in the next video, we are talking about how to implement ISO 27799 in a real healthcare environment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.